you want to know what the new 2025 Subaru Forester looks like? Well, you're in luck because we have some leaked images that reveal the design of the upcoming midsize SUV. In this video, we'll show you the exterior and interior changes, the expected engine options, and the launch date of the new Forester. Stay tuned to find out more. The 2025 Subaru Forester is an all-new, fully redesigned vehicle, according to the teaser released by Subaru last week. It will debut on November 17th, Australian time, at the Los Angeles Auto Show. From the side, it appears Subaru was inspired by the 3rd and 4th Gen Foresters, with the ever-so-slightly angular greenhouse of the current model replaced by rectangular, more open space. It also sports new-look alloy wheels with bronze highlights for the North American Sport variant, body cladding similar to the WRX and Crosstrek, and a prominent D-pillar line with symmetrical AWD badging. The brand's lobster claw-shaped taillight design debuted in the current Forester and spread across the Subaru lineup has been replaced with a new look, connected by a black strip running across the tailgate. Chunkier plastic cladding also extends to the rear bumper, which continues the trend for fake exhaust outlets, but with a visible cutout for a small exhaust pipe on one side. Inside, the new Forester again mimics the Outback, WRX and Crosstrek with a portrait-orientated infotainment system, fewer physical controls, USB-C charge ports, and what appears to be a wireless phone charger. It is unclear if it will feature a full digital instrument cluster, with the leaked images revealing a small central driver information display flanked by analog dials. Under the bonnet, the existing 2.5-liter petrol flat 4 is expected, along with a stronger, more powerful version of the 2.0-liter petrol hybrid flat 4, hopefully improving acceleration and efficiency. This will be followed by a turbo petrol Forester XT, expected to share the Outback's 183 kW 350 2.4-liter turbo and off-road focused Forester Wilderness variants. Forester is our #1 selling model, and we need to bring our A-game in that segment to keep Forester's rightful place. So our current focus is very much on next-generation Forester, said Subaru Australia Managing Director Colin Christie. So, what do you think of the new 2024 and 2025 Subaru Forester? Do you like the design changes? Are you excited about the engine options? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.